Hey guys, thanks for tuning in for another video. My name is Diamond Mind in case you are new to my channel. So this video is going to be very simple, very basic. I am pretty much a middle part girl, but lately I have been getting a couple of requests to do a side part look with a lace frontal wig, so that's what I'm going to do in this video. And I'm also going to do it glueless, so you don't need any type of glue or gel to secure this unit down, and I'm going to show you how I did that. So keep on watching. Alright girls, let's jump right into it. So this wig is being sponsored by OmgHerHair. This lace frontal wig does come with a pre-plucked hairline, and the knots on this wig does come bleached already, so you really don't have to do anything to this wig. Most of the time a lace frontal or a lace frontal wig is going to have way too much lace, so you want to make sure you cut off the lace around the ears. And basically what I am doing is I cut a slit right down the middle where the lace is on my ear, and I just started cutting around my ear, creating a opening for that lace to lay behind my ear. This is very important when it comes to laying your wig, just because it gives a more seamless application and it just looks more natural, especially if you decide to pull the hair behind your ears. You don't want to see all that extra lace if you don't cut it. So I am going to go back in with a pair of scissors and cut more of the lace off around my hairline. Now I don't like to cut too much lace off, just enough, but you know, it is a lace frontal wig, okay? So you are going to be able to see the lace, you know, up close in person. So FYI, child, middle parts are just not my thing no more, but I'm doing this because I love y'all. So I went on ahead and parted my hair in the middle. As you can see, I did go in and pluck the middle of my hair, and I plucked a little bit too much in the front, but that's okay. I'm going to fix that. So I added a little bit of wax stick just to smooth out the roots of the hair. This wig does not have any flyaways. OmgHerHair is pretty good with flyaways anyways. Like if they do have any, it's a very small amount, so I'm not surprised to not really witness any flyaway hairs in this wig. So anyways, I am just using my favorite tool, which is the hot comb, to press out my hair and press out the roots and get it to look smooth and cute, girl. So once I got my hair parted the way I want it to be, I am going to go back in with the scissors and cut a little bit more lace off, just because it's not laying the way I want it to, and I think it's because I just got way too much lace on still. So I am going to test it out behind my ears and see how it falls, and ooh, girl, falls perfectly, okay? Girl, cut the lace behind your ears, okay? So I am going to go ahead and take a razor, and I'm going to thin out my sideburns just to get a more natural look when I pull my hair behind my ears. This wig pretty much already comes straightened, but I'm just going to add a little bit more heat just to get a more pressed out look. Oh, I'm sorry guys, I forgot to show you guys how I fixed that bald spot on my frontal. But basically what I did was I added some foundation to the part, and that pretty much took care of what you guys were seeing at the beginning before I did anything to the actual part. So anyways, now I am just taking a edge control brush or edge brush with a little bit of mousse, and I'm just pushing the hairs back just to make sure there's no loose hairs or baby hairs anywhere, because I do want my edges to look very pressed out and very like laid down, like, but no baby hairs. So to secure my unit, only thing I am using is Barbie pins, and I'm just pretty much placing them wherever I feel like they are needed. And this is pretty much the look, sis. I hope you guys enjoyed this side part wig video with no baby hairs, and I hope it was very easy to follow and get this same look. I do feel like for this wig to be a straight texture, the density on it is pretty good. It's not see-through-ish at all. I had no issues with tangling or shedding or anything like that. Just a really good overall basic wig. All purchasing information will be below. Bye guys.